Welcome back. In this video, we will learn about how to plot line chart. What is a line chart? A line graph is used to represent data over continuous time span. A multiple line graph can effectively compare similar items over the same period of time. Now we will learn that how we can create line chart using DataFrame. For that, first of all, I will import pandas as PD, and then I will write import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Now we require a data frame. So the data frame can be imported from a CSV file. I have already made a CSV file. So what I can do is I just need to write data frame equals to pd.read CSV, and then I give a path over here, and then I write print data frame, and when I run this code, my data frame will be printed. If you look at this data frame, we have quarter, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. And then we have salesperson Rohit, Aman, Amit and Ankush. And we have index 0, 1, 2, 3. Now what I am going to do is I remove this print and write the code to create a line chart. So what I do is df.plot, and in that plot I will say kind equals to line, and then I say plt.show. So if you observe over here, instead of plt.plot, I have used dataframe.plot kind equals to line. And when I run this code, this is my line chart with all the salesmen over here. If you look at this line chart, you will observe we don't have Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4 because it has automatically ignored the text values. It has taken up all the numeric values and plotted that numerical values. And here we have 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. I just show you that why it is there. If I print the data frame, in the data frame we have 0, 1, 2, 3 over here. We have indexes, and over the x-axis it will print the indexes. So we can also customize that, but I will explain you that later on. The another thing which I wanted to explain you, that if I don't wanted only to print Aman and Rohit over here, so what I can do is I can also write it like this, Aman, and then I say Rohit. And what will happen if I run this code? It will only print Aman and Rohit. Similarly, if I want Ankush over here, it will print Aman and Ankush. So this is the benefit of using data frame. So I remove all these things and run the code once again. Now coming to this part, 0.1, 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. Now how we can customize that? For customizing this xticks, what we can do is we can write plt.xticks, and over here this xticks will take two lists over here. The first list is for indexes, and I just take 0 and 1, and then I write over here Q1 and Q2. So basically I am telling over here for 0 index you print Q1, and for index 1 you print Q2. I have not taken the other two indexes, that is 2 and 3, and let us see that what will happen with these two indexes. So when I run this code, you observe over here it only prints Q1 and Q2. So what we can do, you can also write 2, 3, then you can write over here Q3, Q4, and then run this code, and it prints Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. There is another method. Instead of writing this 0, 1, 2, 3, if we have large data, we can also convert an index of any data frame to a list. And for that, what you need to do is, I just take any name. For example, I write x equals to dataframe dot index dot to list. This to list will convert data frame index to a list. So instead of writing 0, 1, 2, 3 manually over here, I can write it over here x, and when I run it, it gives you the same result. Also, what I can do, because I already have q1, q2, q3, q4 over here, so what I can do is I can write over here data frame dot quarter and run this code. So it gives me the same result. And this is how we can customize the xticks. That totally depends upon you, that how you do it. Rest of the things I can also do plt.title and then say sales report, and on this code we have sales report over here. If we want plt.xlabel, we can also do that and say quarter and run this, and we have quarter written over here, and plt.ylabel, and over here I write sales in crore and run this, and we have sales in crore over here. And if I wanted to customize these things, I can also do that. How to do it? I can write color over here, and then I have to give a list of colors. So what will happen when I run this code? I just have to give the list of colors, and then I say orange, and I write over here green, and I give blue and run this code. So these are the colors. So what will happen? It will pick Rohit. For Rohit it will pick red. Then for Aman it will pick orange, and Amit it will pick green and then blue. Moreover, these are the various colors which we can apply, and there are short names also, like B for blue, G for green, R for red, C for cyan, and so on. You can also use these single letters. So I just show you that. So I just use over here R, B, G, and C for cyan, and when I run this, you will see that colors working over here. So you can also work with single letters. And then I will use line style. So I just used double hyphens and I run this code. So again, for various line styles, you can visit over here and see we can also use names over here, dotted, dashed, dash dot, and this is how we can have various line styles. Secondly, we have markers. These are many markers which we can use, and I show you that what are the markers. So I use over here, say marker equals to, let us say I put the symbol and run this code, and you see the markers over here. We can also use line width equals to, for example, I make it 2 and run this code. Just use it 5 just to show you. So these are the line width. So this is how we can create line chart using DataFrame. Thanks for now. See you in the next video.